We tape it, we sandpaper it, and we spray it. It's got a little bit of cloudiness, but what you do is you take your black light, and it has a particular UV light coming off of it. This product has a hardening agent, and it hardens, has a UV protectant. We warranty against yellowing or hazing for as long as you own the vehicle. Sunlight works just as well. This is for quick delivery. Once it's wanded and cured, we can take the tape off and deliver it. We've done over 1,500 applications. This takes about 20-30 minutes. And once I get done, it'll be crystal clear. You won't have to do this again. It's a permanent fix. It'll outlast the vehicle. The more I wand, the harder it gets, the clearer it gets. Come on in closer so you can see the difference. The worse they are, the better they come out. Once I get done wanding, we'll just wait a few more minutes.